to do Hajj. Then we wear Ihram. Ihram is clothing for people who do Hajj. Now we can start Hajj, starting from the 8th day. And I'm using this guide to demonstrate. On the 8th of Dhul-Hijjah, we will do an entry dua by circling 7 times clockwise around the Kaaba. Then we will do 2 rakas nafil namaz at the Maqam Ibrahim. Then we will do sa'i, which is walking 7 times between the hills of Safa and Marwa. On the way, you must drink from the Zamzam because of the risk of dehydration. And then we'll spend the night at the Mina tent. Now the 8th day is over. Let's go to the 9th day. On the 9th of Dhul-Hijjah, we will arrive at Mount Arafat before noon, and there we ask for forgiveness from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Then, after noon, but before sunset, we arrive at Muzdalifah. Upon arriving, we will do Maghrib and Isha prayer jointly. We will spend the night on the ground and look at the pebbles for tomorrow's ritual running through around. Don't miss shaitan. Now the 9th day is over. Let's go to the 10th day. On the 10th of Dhul-Hijjah, we will do Ramaj and Rak by throwing 7 stones, only the largest of the 3 pillars. The largest pillar is called Jamaat al-Kaaba. Then we're going to do an animal sacrifice to remember the story of Ibrahim, Ismail, Islam. Then we're going to do hair trim removal. For the men, they will shave or trim their hair while the female cut the tips of the hair. Now the 10th day is over. Let's go to the 11th day. On the 11th of Dhul-Hijjah, we will do the same Ramaj and Rak as we did on the 10th day. But this time we can do the stones at all 3 of the pillars instead of just 1. Now the 11th day is over. Let's go to the 12th day. On the 12th of Dhul-Hijjah, we will do the same thing as we did on the 11th day. Now the 12th day is over. Let's go to the 13th day. On the 13th of Dhul-Hijjah, we will arrive back at the Kaaba, and there we will perform a farewell tawaf called Tawaf al-Wida. Wida needs to be thorough. We will circle 7 times counterclockwise around the Kaaba, and then we will make our journey to Medina Munawwara. There we can visit Al-Masjid Nabi. Now the rituals of Hajj are finished. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept my Hajj. Ameen Zami. Jazakallah khairan for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.
Wow, mashallah. I'm actually kind of lost for words. I think that was a great explanation.